Short codes are special telephone numbers, significantly shorter than full telephone numbers, that can be used to address SMS and MMS messages from certain service providers' mobile phones or fixed phones. There are two types of short codes, dialing and messaging. The equivalent for voice calls is known as abbreviated dialing. Short codes are designed to be easier to read and remember than normal telephone numbers. Like telephone numbers, short codes are unique to each operator at the technological level. Even so, providers generally have agreements to avoid overlaps. In some countries, such as the United States, some classes of numbers are interoperator. Short codes are widely used for value-added services such as television program voting, ordering ringtones, charity donations and mobile services. Messages sent to a short code can be billed at a higher rate than a standard SMS and may even subscribe a customer to a recurring monthly service that will be added to the customer's mobile phone bill until the user texts, for example, the word STOP to terminate the service. Technology: normal telephone numbers may be of any length, and so when dialed from landline telephones, the network must apply heuristics to determine when dialing is complete. In the US, for example, dialed numbers are generally 7 or 10 digits long, sometimes requiring one to be prefixed. On mobile phones, numbers are terminated with the send or call key and sent all at once over the network, so the network knows the end of the dialed number, and thus one can use short numbers without clashing with longer numbers. For instance, on a landline phone, one could not use the short code 12345, since then one could not dial the phone number 1-234-555-4626, but on a mobile phone there is no such ambiguity. Short codes and service identifiers: short codes are often associated with automated services. An automated program can handle the response and typically requires the sender to start the message with a command word or prefix. The service then responds to the command appropriately. In ads or in other printed material where a provider has to inform about both the prefix and the short code number, the advertisement will typically follow this format. Example 1, long version, text football to 72404 for latest football news. Example 2, short version, of Alsnet. Regional differences: European Union, common EU-wide codes start with 11. Examples include 118xxx, directory services, 116xxx, emergency helplines. This is in addition to the EU-wide emergency number 112. Albania, short codes are 5 digits in length and start with 5, also are known as short codes for value-added service. Australia, short codes are 6 or 8 digits in length, starting with the prefix 19 followed by an additional 4 or 6 digits and 2. Communications Alliance Limited and WMC Global are responsible for governing premium and standard rate short codes in Australia. Transactional and subscription services require a double SMS MO opt-in or web-based opt-in with an MO reply. Belgium, codes are 4 digits in length. Brazil, codes are 5 digits in length. Canada, Canadian common short codes can be 5 or 6 digits long. Common short codes beginning with a leading 4 are reserved for private use by wireless network operators. 4-digit common short codes are not permitted due to handset incompatibilities. Short code-based messages vary between 0-rated, standard rate, and premium rate. Canadian short codes are governed by the Canadian Wireless Telecommunications Association. Chile, codes are 3 and 4 digits in length. Czech Republic, messages sent to from these short codes are known as premium rate SMS. Codes are 7 digits in length for MO and 5 or 8 for MT direction, starting with 9, while 2 or 3 trailing digits express the price. For example, SMS sent to 9,090,930 is billed for car 30. Leading 3 digits are purpose-type prefixes. Digits at position 4 and 5 determines the service provider registered by a network operator. There are also other 4-digit short codes, used by network operators for service-only purposes. Denmark, codes are 4 digits in length. Dominican Republic, codes are 4 or 5 digits in length. Finland, codes are 5 or more digits in length, usually 5 or 6. France, codes are 5 digits in length. Starting digits define the cost of the service. Germany, codes are 4 or 5 digits in length. Greece, codes are 5 digits in length. Hungary, codes are 4 or 5 digits in length. India, there are many companies in the Indian market who rent keywords, on a monthly basis, whose characters, on a typical mobile phone keypad, represent short codes. Short codes are 5 digits in length and have to start with the digit 5. The 5 digits can be extended by 3 digits further representing 3 additional characters. Text sent to these short codes are commonly referred to as premium rate SMS messages and cost around Rs1 to Rs3 per text depending on the operator as well as the service. Any length of full message can be sent, ranging from 100 to €500. Indonesia, codes are 4 digits in length with Rp2000 premium price. Republic of Ireland, short codes are 5 digits in length, and start with 5. The second digit generally indicates the maximum price, with 0 equals completely free, 1 equals standard text rate only, 3 equals a 0.60, and 7 having no maximum. Codes beginning 59 are ostensibly intended for adult services, but few if any of these codes are used. Italy, in Italy short codes have no fixed length, starting from 3 digits up to 5. All short codes that start with the digit 4, are designated by a local telecommunications law for network services. Widely known short codes are in the 48XXX range, commercial ringtones and mobile stuff download. Korea, South, codes are generally 4 to 6 digits in length, however short codes have no fixed length. Latvia, in Latvia short codes also have no fixed length, starting from 3 digits up to 5. All 4-digit short codes that start with 118, or 5-digit short codes that start with 1184 are designated to information service providers. Lithuania, in Lithuania short codes also have no fixed length, starting from 3 digits up to 5. All short codes that start with the digit 1, are designated by a local telecommunications law for network services. Malaysia, codes are 5 digits in length, start with 2, or 3, premium pricing from ROM0030 up to 10.00. Codes are empty billed so subscription services are allowed. Upon service description approval by mobile operators, dedicated codes are generally live in 4 weeks, and shared codes after 1 week. Morocco, code are 4 keys digits in length. Nepal, codes are 3 to 4 digits in length. Dialing short codes are generally 3 digits, and reserved for public services. SMS short codes are used for a range of purposes, and are 4 digits. The Netherlands, codes are 4 digits in length. Nigeria, codes are 4 to 5 digits in length. Norway, codes are 4 and 5 digits in length. New Zealand, codes are 3 and 4 digits in length. Pakistan, codes are 3 and 4 digits in length. Users are charged 5 Pakistani rupees, 25 Pakistani rupees per SMS sent on short codes. Mobile operators charge a setup fee, monthly fee and fee per keyword for short codes. Short codes usage must abide by the rules set by PTA. Panama, codes are 4 digits in length. Poland, commercial codes are 5-digit long and are reachable from both mobile and fixed networks. Calls to short codes, from any type of network, are routed based on the location of the number originating the call. Hence, if wishing to reach a particular geographical area, the subscriber might need to prefix the short code with an appropriate area code. Philippines, codes are 4 digits in length. The National Telecommunications Commission is a regulatory agency providing an environment that ensures reliable, affordable and viable infrastructure and services in information and communications technology accessible to all. Although the NTC is ultimately responsible for the governance of premium and non-premium short codes in the Philippines, the NTC's regulatory guidelines are not comprehensive when applied to short codes. Instead, NTC's guidelines focus more on the carriers and the carrier's technical infrastructure. NTC's website does not contain any specific information with regard to premium SMS or standard rate SMS. There is relevant documentation for bulk SMS and spam control via NTC's amendment to the Rules and Regulations on Broadcast Messaging Services, however again is not directly related to premium SMS. Russia, codes are 4 digits in length. The cost of the call or SMS to the short number varies from 1.2 to 300 rubles, depending on the number and the carrier. Serbia, codes are 4 digits in length. Singapore, codes are 5 digits in length. South Africa, codes are 5 digits in length. Short codes will start with either a 3 or 4. For example, 34,001 or 42,001. Each short code or short code range are assigned specific tariffs or end-user prices. The tariff charges can range from L0.50 to a 30.00 on mobile-originated billing and from L0.50 to a 50.00 using mobile-terminated billing. Due to high costs associated with short code rental, many providers offer shared short codes, which greatly reduces costs. Spain, codes are 4 digits in length. Sweden, codes are 5 digits in length. Switzerland, codes are 3 to 5 digits in length. Codes starting with 6 are reserved for adult services. Taiwan, codes are usually 4 digits in length, starting with digits 19. Turkey, codes are 4 digits in length. United Kingdom, codes are 5 digits in length, mostly starting with 6 or 8. Codes starting 70 are used by charities. The range of codes may be expanded in time to use other leading digits such as 4. Adult-related mobile services must use codes starting with 69 or 89. Mobile operators sometimes use proprietary codes. SMS short codes are often owned by holding companies who then lease them out to service providers and advertisers to promote SMS services, charitable fundraising and marketing promotions such as news alerts, voting and quizzes. Short codes can also be used to deliver additional content or a mobile URL link that when prompted opens the mobile web browser linking the user to a mobile web page. Premium SMS services use codes that can be set to deliver a charge to a participant unregistered trademark S mobile phone. Other codes can be free to receive €1 or standard rate apply €1 or free to send and receive. UK premium-rated SMS services are regulated by PhonePay Plus. All charges and associated terms linked to a premium code should be transparent to the consumer. To stop a subscription-based short code service, text the word STOP to the short code number. United States, as of May 31, 2006, the standard lengths for interoperable short codes are 5 and 6 digits. Carriers use short codes with fewer digits for carrier-specific programs, for example, text 611 to see how many minutes you have remaining on your plan. Codes starting with 1 are not permitted. Common short codes in the U.S. are administered by Newstar, under a deal with Common Short Code Administration, CTIA. Short codes can be leased at the rate of $1,000 a month for a selected code or $500 for a random code. Some carriers assign a subset of their carrier-specific codes to third parties. Alternatives to short codes for SMS reception. An alternative to inbound SMS is based on long numbers, which can be used in place of short codes or premium-rated short messages for SMS reception in several applications, such as television voting, product promotions and campaigns. Long numbers are internationally available, as well as enabling businesses to have their own number, rather than short codes which are usually shared across a number of brands. Additionally, long numbers are non-premium inbound numbers. References. External links: Australian Short Code Search, Short Code Management Group, Common Short Code Administration, Independent U.S. Short Codes WHOIS Directory.